Omo tuo is what we are having today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple, traditional Ghanaian and intercontinental recipe. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Now, this video is being inspired by Bazalea. I am going to leave a link down in the description where she made this. If you are new to this channel, welcome Yummy. You're welcome. You're so much welcome, and I am so proud of you for clicking on this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button after you've watched 2 or 3 videos and you feel like, yes, this is my home, I need to be at home. Then you subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. And also come here every Monday and Thursday for new recipes. And to my returning subscribers and friends, thank you so much for coming back. You know how we do it, right? We like, we share, and we leave a comment. And to the newcomers, to the same applies to you. Kindly like, leave a comment, subscribe, notification bell icon on, and then you share it out to all your social media platforms. Thank you so much for doing that for your girl. Now I'm going to leave you here for you to enjoy the video, and also don't forget to visit Bazalea. The link is down in the description. Thank you.